Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make handcuffs on Dress to Impress. So first you need the apple, which is at the front. I don't know why I went back there. You're going to select this apple here, and I just colored it the same as my outfit. Toggle it and press the button to the core one. You're then going to grab that bear and you're going to color it all orange again. Then select 2. Then you're going to select the coconut and you're going to just do this to all of the items. Like the color of the item, sorry. Then you're just going to grab these gloves here, color the glove the same as your skin color, which mine is already the same because I used like another glove here, and color the other, like the fur, like a dark color for the handcuffs. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.